All right, y'all, what is good? In today's video, we are gonna be putting on these clear taillights onto my Lexus IS350. So let's get right into it. First off, guys, here is a look at the taillights. As you can see, very, very nice clear taillights. I will be leaving a link in the description on where y'all can get these by my buddy Trevor, and yes, he does ship these. Here's a look at how the car currently sits. Got these HC Motion taillights. I do like these a lot, but these clears definitely look a lot better, and I feel like we'll go with the build a lot better with all the silver and chrome trim that I have on this thing. So we're gonna pop open this trunk and get to work on taking out the old taillights. All right, y'all, so first off, to install the taillights, we do need to pull off all of this carpet trim right here and down here, but I got a little trick. Use a zip tie, toss it right through there, and then boom, pull them right out, easy like that. So yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, so let's yeah, get them all out. Yes, sir. All right, we're gonna pop all these out. Boom. All right, keep recording, I'm gonna do a time lapse. Okay. Start pulling shit and see where it leads us though. Oh, I left the clip. That's why it's not coming off. All right, now I got all the clips off for real. All right, looks like that section's staying in. We're just gonna peel it back like this to get the bolts up here out and right here out. So pretty simple. All right, y'all, we got the tool right here. We're gonna, you know, blast them on out. So light work, light work. Oh shit. Come on out, buddy. Got it. Now it should come out. Easy peasy. What could actually be holding this in? I just wasn't pushing hard enough, guys. I got it. All right, and then we gotta unplug this. Cameraman, you're not allowed to laugh, all right? Only laugh when I tell you can, all right? You gotta check in with me if you wanna laugh. All right, so we gotta unplug some clips from the old ones now. These ones are aftermarket. It's like a relay typey thingy to make the taillight sequential. Good angles, bro. Hey, you can laugh. You can laugh real quick. You maybe say something. You wanna like say hi or something? All right, give you perms to speak. All right, there we go. Hey, first part out for real.
Now time for the second one.
Oh, yes, W comes for cameraman. I'm liking that, I'm liking that.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all. Did the same process on the other side. Both ones are out. So we're gonna just toss the new ones in just cause it's, you know, we're already in the process. So let's throw them on. The wire goes in, little thing goes there. Little... Not bad, kid, not bad at all. That shit looks valid, bro, with the chrome logo too. Man, I'm so hyped. Man, I'm so hyped for this. Shout out Trevor for sending me these for real. This is a sponsored video by Trevor's business. He did send me these taillights, so love you, Trevor. But I've been running clears. Dude services the DFW area if you want to do it locally. But if you're not, bro, as I said, I mean, he ships. He does ship. You basically just send him your taillights and sends them back looking a little different like this. You know? Tighten up these bolts. And, we'll be done. We'll be done with this section of the tails. Let's get a little test look. Boom. Close the trunk. Oh my gosh, dude. These things look beautiful, bro. We're gonna go look at this corner. Kind of like a before and after. I think clears just fit this car so much better. Like, we'll just zoom in. Oh my God, that looks beautiful. All right, I'm so hyped to put in second section. So I'm gonna take these out, put these in. It's gonna be awesome. So pop back open the trunk, pull out the carpet, and get this out. All right, y'all, time to pull more carpet. Let's get to it. Oh my gosh, bro. Hey, yeah, we gotta pull the carpet. Yo, what are you doing, Mom? Classic mom. All right, y'all, but yeah, we're gonna pull the clips on this carpet. Got some wires running around, I guess, but yeah, I wanna get these other ones out. Let's get the other ones in. Oh, God, that one was in there tight, guys. I think that there is like a little clip in here. From what I remember putting these on, you gotta kind of like push out and then pull. So it's like that. Yes, sir, y'all, I was right. But yeah, look at this clip over here. Yeah, they like kind of clip in like that and like that. So you kind of gotta like slide it on. It's kind of awkward, but for a guy like me, pretty freaking easy. I'm a Toyota Lube Tech actually, so yeah, they actually call me the Master Lube Tech. Careful how you talk around me. Oh, there we go. Easy does it. Easy does it. So yeah, that's the old one. That's the new one for real. All right, y'all. got the new one. Look at that, nice and fresh and clear. Weave this through here, put it in the holes. You know, because if there's a hole, there's a goal. Am I right, y'all? But yeah, then we're gonna put the bolts back on, put our hanger back on for my cargo net, because yeah, my car came optioned with the cargo net, the OEM one. If you want to show it, it's right there, right here, the OEM cargo net. But I am missing the trunk carpeting and the spare tire, so you win some and you lose some, but at least I got the stock cargo net. Right, guys? Stock cargo net. Pretty tough. Okay. Yo, you don't got freaking nod with the freaking camera, bro. Okay, bro. I'll leave cameraman. Oh, cameraman. I don't get paid. What? Yo, chill, bro. What are you whispering about? I did not give you permit to talk about that. Give these, you know, a little torque to spec. Click. 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 There we go. Torque to spec. All right, y'all, let's do our first little test look. Ooh, I'm hyped. Ignore the trunk noises, it's an old car. Oh, yeah. Pan down there. Sheesh, bro. That shit was hard. Cameraman, you got permission to speak right now. Is that shit hard?
That shit's hard, bro.
That shit's hard. Hey, you better be saying that. Let's get the other side wrapped up. Pop the car on outside and take a little look-see, right? Pan the camera to me. Thank you, cameraman. Hey, good work actually today, you know? Wait, you gotta redo that. Get it. Alright, good shit. Alright, let's get this other side wrapped up. Cut it, we're just gonna cut to one, we gotta get it done.
Eventually.
Alright, y'all, we did just get both of these taillights off. Clears are on, but we are gonna be waiting to do a reveal once we actually add on some clear reflectors instead of these red reflectors, just so we can get the best result with this. So let's get those on. Gotta take the rear bumper off first though, which might be a bit of a process. Got it. All right, then pull down. Does this guy need my pull down, bro? Nah, this dude's tripping, bro. There's no way. Gotta go back to the video.
So did that to straight up just yeet on the bumper?
Yeet on the bumper. When was this video made? 5 years ago. All right. Valid word choice 5 years ago.
Kind of freaked me out a little bit, because once you're tugging,
Kind of freaked you out.
But once you're pushing down and pulling, the tab is gonna like pop right out, and it's gonna sound like you broke something. But in actuality, you really didn't. So now you get this out, you just wanna like kind of gently just pull in it a little bit, so you kind of get the tabs out, and then once you get it to about like right here, and you got the other side done, then you're just gonna want to push that way, and the bumper should come on. So now.
Alrighty. Seems pretty insightful. We got to get the other side off, or that side to come loose. So I'm gonna get the other side off, and then honestly, I'm just gonna get the bumper off, and we'll cut back to that, and then the reflectors will go on, and then we're gonna pull the car outside. It's gonna look so tough, bro. So yeah, let's just get it done. Let's just get it done.
20 minutes later.
All right, y'all, my car looks absolutely fried right now, but that's because we actually managed to get the bumper off. So yeah, there's the spot where the reflectors normally go. We're gonna just, you know, unscrew it, pop the tab, and throw in the new ones.
Tomorrow.
All right, y'all, so that bumper part did end up taking me a little bit of time, so it was too dark to actually show y'all, so it's the next day, but they're done. So here is a look at them. Oh my gosh, dude, look at that. But yeah, these things came out absolutely beautiful. Once again, huge thanks to Trevor. He'll be linked in the description of the video. Make sure to go check them out. Y'all can get custom clear taillights just like these, but these things are absolutely amazing. I love that I chose to get these clear reflectors that came with them. I think it really ties the entire back end of this car really well together. And I mean, yeah, looks amazing. So clean. I'm so happy I finally did this. All right, guys, this is gonna be the end of this video. This is summer vlog week 2. So yeah, we put clear taillights on my car. Went very well, and they look awesome. So yeah, if y'all enjoyed, like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next week, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.